guys, this is Tracy with Universal Rocks. Today I'm going to build a dart frog enclosure for you using our new, smaller version of our deep water background. So for this enclosure, I'm actually going to make it a bioactive enclosure. Bioactive enclosures are really cool. They create their own little ecosystem and dart frogs thrive in it. We're going to start with pouring our hydro ball layer. This is going to help with any excess water to be able to drain into it and stay there instead of staying in your soil where your plants are. Next, we're going to put in our screen cover that's going to separate our dirt from our hydro balls. This you just cut to fit inside and place it right on top. So now we're ready to add our soil. Right here I have a good mixture of different types of soils. It has some moss in here and a few good things that are really good for our plants and our isopods and springtails that we're going to add. You want to make sure you have a nice good layer of soil. Now I'm going to add our isopods. These are dwarf white isopods. They are really great for dart frogs. They make a nice little snack for them and they're really good for your soil to help aerate it. Their waste will actually feed your plants, and then as your plants kind of grow and a little bit dies off, it's fine because your isopods will take care of that for you. And I'm also going to go ahead and add in our springtails. Springtails are really cool. They're itty bitty and you probably won't ever notice them again after this. They're also in a little bit of water with some activated charcoal. The charcoal is going to be really good for your soil as well. Now I'm just going to mix it all up. So for this background, I actually had them cut it just a little bit shorter because I wanted it to sit on top of all of the soil. That way the bugs have some place to go and hide from the frogs. And I'm just going to slide it right on in. I took the inside measurements of this enclosure, so it should fit snug and perfectly. I want to add this bromeliad onto the tree. Just like in nature, they'll grow naturally on top of trees, and I think it's really cool, so I want to add that to this enclosure. I'm just going to simply drill a hole and then stick the stem right through it. I like it like that. Now that I have this in place, I get to do the most fun part, and that's decorate with all the different plants and water bowls and all of the fun stuff. Here I have just a few different plants, and I have some live moss, and I'm just going to place them where I like them. Here I have one of our water bowls that I want to use. This one will be really great for them because it's not too deep, and it also has this fun little rock steps that they can climb on and play around in. I'm going to add just one more plant right up here. Another thing I want to add before I add the moss is this little deco rock we have. I cut a hole in it right here so it creates a little hide. Dart frogs like to hide sometimes, so this will be a great place for them to go and escape all the lights and the other frogs. So here I just have some live pillow moss and some live sheet moss, and I'm just gonna add them to different spots. This is a great way to help you hold in your humidity. Dart frogs need a lot of humidity. And where you place them is totally up to you. And now we're just gonna add a little bit of leaf litter. Leaf litter on top is great for the dart frogs to be able to walk on. The isopods will eat them and break them down. Now I'm just gonna spray this tank down so it's nice and wet for the frogs. I love their humidity. Thanks for watching me build this tank today. We're all set, we're ready to add some frogs. This background is available at universalrocks.com. You can make your own today.